Well, thank you for stopping back by the shop. This video is a very special video, one that's been in the making for a long time. This is our 10,000 subscriber celebration. So welcome back to Butler Customs Motorcycle Shop. Well, you folks have done it. As you can see by the handmade banner back there that my family made me, we've hit 10,000 subscribers. And we've got a big giveaway coming up, our 10,000 subscriber motorcycle that we're giving away very easily, very simply. You don't have to buy anything from me. I'm not making anything off of this at all. Just my way to say thank you for spending time with me here in the shop, for supporting my channel, loving my channel, sharing my channel, all the things that you do on your end that allows me to do what I do on my end. Our shop has now moved into a full-time YouTube shop. So we're going to be fixing things and buying projects and getting old bikes back on the road that you want to see, and maybe, bikes that you're working on at home as well. We can do some repairs and things like that. Family threw me a party, and I want to show you all the time and preparation they put into it. Here's a picture of the banner that they made for me and a little 10K play button that they made. And then here's a picture of me with a cake with a number 10 on it. So here are some of the plaques that my kids made me. Of course, this one here is pretty cool. It's even got the same font that my logo has. This is from Lincoln. Look at that. One of my sons. That's pretty cool. This one, I don't know who it's from. There's no name on it. Little heart and a play button. It says 10,000 on it. And then you got this one here, 10,000 with a little play button. And then on the back, Decca loves Dad. It's our youngest daughter there. Hearts and flowers and awesome. So what a good time. There are some balloons there you probably saw in the picture that I've got out here as well. It says 10 and it had a little K. And then one of the coolest things my wife made was this collage, this big huge board that I'm going to hang up in the shop, probably over there, is the comments. Some of her favorite comments, some of my favorite comments. She printed all these out, cut them out, put them together on this collage, and they are just awesome. So you might see your name in there. Pretty cool. Took her, I know, a lot of time, a lot of preparation. So I'm definitely something I'm going to have up in my shop just to remember that you guys are very, very important to me. I wouldn't be doing this without you. There's my very first comment. I don't know if you can read that or not. It's 3 thumbs up. 3 years ago. And that's from my daughter. And I even said, thank you. Oh, man. And so it's been a great time of celebration here as a family because it's a big milestone in YouTube. A lot of channels never get to the level that we're at. And it's nothing really that I'm doing. It's just the support and love that I have on our YouTube community. It's been really, really good. And I will say this, as we look back over some of the early videos and just the life of the YouTube channel, we've stayed pretty consistent. We're all about just wrenching on bikes, talking about bikes, hanging out in the shop, doing projects, getting bikes on the road, just me and you hanging out. And that's what I hope our channel to always be about. I'm not going to move into some different trend chasing and trying to get rates up and trying to pull in more views. I'm not messing with any of that. If you like me, you like me. If you don't, you just don't. And so I'm not going to try to hoodoo anybody by getting out of my genre and trying to chase trends or doing, motorcycle wrecks or titles with the, I never liked the titles with the thumbnails of the guys going, or doing this or something to try to trick you with a title. So what you're going to see here is my very first video on YouTube. We've come a long way as far as lighting and audio and things of that nature. So enjoy this little clip and let's look at some bikes that we've done over the years. Now, I don't have a lot of videos. You know, we're still fairly new in YouTube, but we've worked on a lot of bikes together. We've done a lot of things together. And I think this is a time just to sit back and remember and celebrate. Hey folks, welcome to Butler Customs Motorcycle Shop. This is a little promo video about my upcoming YouTube channel where I'm going to be showing you guys all the bikes that we work on. But more excitingly for me, the bikes that I just pull out of people's backyards, scrap yards, just junk sheds, barns, behind the house kind of deals, where I take those bikes and set them up here on one of the lifts and see if I can get them running. All right, we got 4 lifts here in our shop, and I got them kind of spaced out just so I have a little bit of room to work. And well, hey folks, welcome back to the shop. I'm glad you stopped by to say hi. Well, what we have on the lift today is a 1989 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883. It's been a joy having you here in my shop today. And tell your mom and them I said hi. Yeah. But I don't know what to do with my hands. Well, welcome back to the shop. I tell you, you're just a sucker for punishment, aren't you? Well, today I've got a 2008 CBR 600, the Pirate Edition, the RR. So you and I got everything back together. Let's take it down the road and see how she does. Now, listen, my hot dogging days are long gone. So we won't be doing any of that, especially on the customer's bike. And tell your mom and them I said hi. Hey, do you have a Triumph 3-banger 900cc Avenger? And have a blessed week. And tell your mom and them I said hi. Today's video, all about tanks. The customer said, I want the biggest, fattest, widest tank that I can put on this cafe racer. And I said, hold my corn dog. How about a 1979? You got room for your snacks, for your to-go meal, even for your laptop up here. You can magnetize all kinds of things on it. You can put fridge stickers all over it, pictures of your kids. Just think of the possibilities. Now, also, you could go from California to New York on one fill-up. Not a bad idea. I think it turned out pretty nice, as the young folks would say. This is dripping, and that ain't no cap. So thanks again for watching, and tell your mom and them I said hi. Welcome back to the shop. Today's flavor, 2016 Yamaha R6. And tell your mom and them I said hi. Well, hey folks, welcome back to the shop. I know it's been a minute. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me in the shop today. And tell your mom and them I said hi. Boy, did you pick a good time to stop by today. We have a homemade chopper. Thank you so much for hanging out in the shop with me today. And tell your mom and them I said hi. Have you ever sat around looking at your Sportster and thought, I wonder what it'd be like to take it completely apart, all the way off the frame, and put it back together again? Well, probably not. But in this customer's case, that's exactly what we have to do. Thank you so much for being here and hanging out with us. And do me a favor, tell your mom and them I said hi. Hey folks, welcome back to the shop. All right, the alternator's out, and now our ants come out of that everywhere. So we're going to do a little ant delete. There we go. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and tell your mom and them I said hi. Today's video is very special to me and our channel. We're going to open up some of the packages that we've received from our subscribers, and tell your mom and them I said hi. Well, hey folks, welcome back to the shop. I hope you had a good Christmas. Today we've got this Road King on the lift, and we're installing a quick release backrest. Tell your mom and them I said hi. Welcome back to the shop. And I know it's been a minute, but you know what they say, a rolling stone never stops, or a wet dog never rests. Today we've got a 94 Electra Glide. This is the Evolution motor, and we're doing an entire top end rebuild. That's from the base under the cylinders all the way up, new gaskets, inspecting everything. Now look, don't go quitting on me now. I'm right in the middle of this. So make sure to come back for the second video as we clean everything up, put everything back together, and take this 94 down the road. Hey, tell your mama now I said hi. Hey, thanks for stopping back by the shop. Today we've got a 2003 anniversary edition Dyna, and this bike has not ran in, I believe, about 5 years. Tell your mama now I said hi. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today. Today we have a 1994 Softail Heritage. Thank you so much for hanging out in the shop with me today. And tell your mama now I said hi. Well, let's me and you fix the gas tank. And tell your mama now I said hi. Do you have a Softail that's just a little soft in the tail? But in the meantime, tell your mama now I said hi. Thanks for stopping by today. We got the 99 Harley Davidson. Well, you know it's a Harley Davidson. And tell your mama now I said hi. Well, that's just a glimpse of some of our earlier videos. As you can tell, I was just shooting with an iPhone that I had, no audio. Then I upgraded to an audio. Then I upgraded to a GoPro. Then I upgraded to a better GoPro. Then I upgraded to these DJI mics, DJI mics that have been phenomenal. And shop lights and all the doodabs and whatnots that just help to make the videos a little bit better. Looking back at those early videos, I haven't looked at them since I made them. Oh, you guys have to find better things to do. You just got to. I'm embarrassed for you. No, I'm just kidding. I really thank you for, especially those that have been with me since the beginning or the earlier days. And that just goes to show you can start your YouTube channel with just your phone and do your thing. And then as it grows, put back in the channel. Make things better for the viewers. And that's what I hope to keep doing. So the 10K bike is getting back on the lift. The tins and the fenders and all that are with the painter, Chase Spears, at Paint by Spears. And so we got to do our wiring, we got to do new tires, we got to do the air breather, oil changes, all that, maybe rerouting some oil lines. There's some work we got to do on it. And then hopefully when that's done, and it'll be about the time the paint's done, he can just bring it up, we can put the tins on and take some good pictures of it and start the promotion. Then Miss Liberty's going back on the lift. We got some things in for her to get her back. And hopefully by then, Mr. Mike, our painter friend, will be done with the paint and restoration of that. We can put all that back together. And then we've got a brand new chopper build. We are going to build the cheapest chopper we can. So if you've ever wanted to build a chopper and you've wanted to do it, you ain't got much money to do it with, this is going to be the cheapest we can build one. And it'd be safe and it'd be fun and enjoyable. Our 10K celebration has been a blast. And I just want to thank you all. And I've got to correct myself. Going back and looking at those old videos, guess what? I absolutely did ask for subscribers. I didn't beg for them, but I did ask people to subscribe. And my wife come out here as I was editing today, and I was telling her, did you know I used to ask for subscribers? She said, yeah. So you didn't tell me that. She said, I've even seen it in your comments. Somebody would leave you a comment and you'd say make sure to subscribe. So all the times I said I never asked for people to subscribe, that's a lie. I did. I just forgot that I did. So I apologize, and I won't ever say that again. So again, thank you so much, and tell your mama and them I said hi.